and welcome back to my channel.
You know I'm gonna get you. You know I'll even let you be my chamak chalo. Kaisa sharmana aaja nachte dikhane. Ha meri hole aaja pari da girane. Ha meri akhiyon se akhiyon milane.
If you're new to this channel, I'm Aprabha Padenti and I would love to see if you hit that subscribe button. Go subscribe right away. Here we are after years of making get ready with me, pack with me, singing vlogs and everything. Here we are. This is my let's shop or let's plan my engagement video. I can't believe I'm doing this, like, so it's so unreal. I can't believe like the time has come for me to do this video. I mean, time flies like this, that is for true. So yeah, your girl is getting engaged and this is a vlog where I take you around with my engagement planning, buying my outfits, buying my rings and everything. We have around 4 days for my engagement from today, and right now we're going to shop for the rings and my outfit. So I am planning on having 2 outfits. Yeah, so basically in Indian Telugu Brahmin family we have 2 outfits for our engagement. So I thought one I would do a half sari and another one I would do a sari, but kind of designer, like with the drama. So that's my ideology. But yeah, I'm super excited for you to come along. It's been a long ride for sure. It's crazy and I'm super excited, really excited. I'll spill the tea for you all really soon. Who is it, what is happening, when is it? But for now, sit down and enjoy all of the planning and shopping vlog. So this is my fit for today. I wore something like a short kurti and the jeans because it's super comfortable and it's both like Indian Western, so it might be helpful. Let's get in. So we just came by to Medina. Ippudu auto digam and then we're going seeing around the shops. Nitish normal guide chestunnadu because Nitish ki chaala baga telusu area. So that is what is happening. So na outfit emo oka half sari. So yeah, let's go, let's see what we can get in here. Oh, we just got his outfit. My fiance's outfit is done. So from there we need to head to get my outfit, some jewelry and everything. This is the shop we got. It's called, what is it called? Mark Doom anta. Crazy pieces, good collection on it. If you're in Medina, you should definitely check it out. It's just right here on the start. So yeah, one is done and mine is yet to go. Came to this matching shop and we are looking at Ifra. Aditya, idi fabric langa ki and idi vonik ki anukuntunna.
सेम लेना तो दे तो जी ब्लाउज के लिए भी आपको ब्लाउज के लिए भी दे.
So we have finally completed the outfit of mine. అది నా 2 outfits లో ఒక outfit కి ఆ షాప్ లో we took the cloth. వాళ్ళ దగ్గరే మేము మిక్స్ అండ్ మ్యాచ్ చేసాము. సో ఆ క్లాత్ మీటర్ సరిపోలేదు బేసిక్లీ, ఓన్లీ లెహెంగాకే వచ్చింది. సో లెహెంగా తీసుకుని దానికి సిమిలర్ క్లాత్ బ్లౌజ్ ఫ్రంట్కి తీసుకుని హ్యాండ్స్ మొత్తం కట్ చేసి ఓన్లీకి వేరే క్లాత్ తీసుకున్నాం. అది అయిపోయింది. అండ్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఒక టైలర్ ఉన్నారంట, సో ఆ స్టిచ్చింగ్ కూడా ఇచ్చేసాము. And yeah, I think cloth anta kalpi around 4,000 ayindi, and stitching I don't remember the charges. I'll see. Yeah, 3,000 and stitching తీసుకున్నారు, which includes can ఏంటి ఏమంటారు డోరీస్, then lining అన్ని కలిపి, which is decent I feel. So that's the update. Now we're gonna go for ring shopping. welcome welcome back. It's day 2 of our shopping and prepping for my engagement. So today I'm in all of my chumpy because my head is aching so badly. I don't know what's up, but yeah, I'm having terrible headache, terrible body pains and everything. So yeah, I'm kind of dull today. So right now it's about to be 3 and me, him and my brother are heading out today for the next part of shopping. So Ninna, we were only able to figure out the outfits yesterday. So right now we're going to ring shopping. So excited. I am like going crazy. This is like my dream thing happening right here because oh god, a ring, a rock on my hand is crazy. I've always wanted this from the time I was a child. Oh my god. So I'm really excited, but let's keep it in until everything happens. So yeah, right now I'm going to ring shopping and then we need to do some small sari shopping along with that. So yeah, let's see how today rolls and yup, let's get out. We just came to these couple of shops, Royal Cast, Tanishq King Koti, and it's no surprise, no size ledu. Rings up no size worker. So we were like, our shopkeeper nothing and then a place no size worker because it's just 2 days. So he's like, so much about any main branch Sunday, you can probably try there. So right now we're heading there. Not this place, but so that's the update. Let's go to Somajigura right. Two options. This first option. In the 9 unnattunnayi blur ayivothundi. And this is second option. Chubi. Ikkada 2 vachayi and then idu konచెం squarish design lo undi. Cool lo undi. Let's see edi teeskuntamma. We just finalized on this ring. It has 9 small diamonds and it's platinum. So pretty. So the shopping is done for him and for me it's yet to be done. Ikkada Hyderabad model munigipindi. If you can see, it's like samudrame. Nenu samudram kelalanukunna ide samudram. Yeah, completely water munigipindi. We are like, my foot is drenched in dirty water. Worry. So that's the update. So for my next shop kasnam for my shopping. So yeah, that's the update. Let's go see my ring. Hopefully we can find it soon. I'm back here to give you an update is that so the ring I'm looking for, we are not able to find. We had no luck finding my ring yet. Aithe na kalsin design lo size ledu, size untal na price ledu. So it's like every way just maybe I'll have to look in for some other design for now and just let it go. That is the option. But yeah, nevertheless right now we're going to get my nails done finally. One thing I'm excited about today. Yeah, today has been a bit rough, not so good, but I'm hoping it goes good somehow. Everything works out for me. So yeah, that's the update. Let's go to get our nails done. Again, just to show you my nails. Look at them. They're so glittery and I never gotten a French manicure. So this is kind of a French manicure. I actually wanted to get French manicure with glazed polish, but then should have selected this. So I was like, let me go with it. Okay. So I went with this and it is looking so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so I think the quality of the camera is different now because I'm on a different phone. My storage is full, but that's not the point. Yeah, so we came to Fianfe because the matcha here is really great. I also kept a reel about it. Also, follow me on Instagram if you haven't to see all the pictures from my from my engagement. But the whole point is, yeah, we just came to have some matcha and coffee right now because I'm feeling so low. Today has been really rough on me. So I'm just hoping tomorrow it goes really good. by to Swiss Castle on the way to order our cake. My face looks pathetic in this lighting, but yeah, we just came to Swiss Castle to order a cake. So this is like a pure veg restaurant, I mean bakery. So we're doing it eggless, and we're doing so yeah, basically we're doing a red velvet cake base inside, and the cake design is like a heart, very aesthetic, very simple. I just like those kind of cakes. I never had them. So that's the cake. I'll just show you the picture. Just a second. This is the cake we ordered. It's so cute, and we wanted the date below like this. So that's the whole idea. It's a new day, it's the next day, and we are headed to my ring shopping yet again. This is the final try. Do or die lag undi situation nago. Before this, yeah, in the morning, ivala we had a Ganesh Puja kind of thing. So that means that right now, from now, we can start the shopping for all the marriage stuff. So that happened in the morning, and after that, engagement location we called the decorators. So they came in and they saw the location, and I told them my ideas for the engagement. They saw it, and they gave me some quotations. So that happened, and yeah, that's it. From there we had lunch, and then we started off for the ring. I'm hoping a shop, Mama Sharad, so hopeful about this shop that you'll get it. Let's just hope we find it. I think in today's to-do we have this ring, which is a major. Then I have to figure out my mehendi. I don't know what I'm going to do about mehendi, but yeah, I need to figure that out. And I have some DIY things in my engagement decor, so I need to get those DIY items as well. So yeah, I'm thinking yeah, and I also need to do some makeup shopping as well. I'll talk about the makeup once I get my ring in a while, but yeah, that's the whole gist of today. So yeah, let's just dig in and go with the flow. So we saw these two options. This was the first one, and so this is the second option. I thought Sharadki idi nachtundi, but the other one naku mammiki nachtundi. So guys, I found my ring. Finally it is done. I finally found it. We found it in the shop called Aura. Idi Panchagutta దగ్గరే ఉంది. We missed it yesterday. We were thinking continuously again and again, Aura kelali, but yeah, today it happened and I got my ring. It's not exactly a solitaire, but it's as close as possible I can get to a solitaire, because solitaire was like out of our budget. But yeah, I am so really happy. It's so near. I'll be like flaunting it from, I think, from the next vlog maybe.
Thank you, Shapa. Stories recommended by me.
He's a self-obsessed person. Just leave him. Yeah, but there is something. This thing is lost. My earring is lost. I don't know where is it. So ila undali. It's gone. I don't know why is everything like woo. But yeah, ignore him. That's the whole point. Right now, I think we will go to shop some makeup for me, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, we got the ring finally, so we can get engaged. That's a final thing. That's something I can't change right now, so that's good. Guys, and welcome back. It's another day, and I think this will be the last day of shopping and everything prepping, because tomorrow is my engagement. So yeah, right now we came to Narsing. It's there, and then from there we came to Main Sahib for my outfits I need to wear prior to the ceremony. For some time, so I didn't have anything in my wardrobe, so I thought I'll just go shop that. So that is when I bought a saree, Banaras saree, and ready-made blouse, because time ledu. That's what we did. I need to do a lot of things like mehendi and everything today. Let's hope they get done, because tomorrow early morning I need to get engaged. For the shopping, but after that I didn't do anything, and then I came name ka letter here and mine in there, if you can see. I'm back when I don't know it's about to be night. So yesterday we came to this place called Habib's for some. I want to get a facial done, so for that I came in here. The last thing I had to do for today was here. So yeah, I got done a diamond facial. Everything is so sparkly. I don't know why, but yeah, the 22 hours of accurate. So I'm like, bro, he just told me that we have early morning engagement, so I don't know how it goes. And Mana ka facial, so facial చేస్తున్నారు. So that's that. I think this calls for the end of the vlog. So yeah, I think let me meet you in the next engagement video. Bye guys.